The first thing I'm going to talk about is how to use it, how to actually place it on the guitar and change the pitch of a chord progression. So here we go. Say you want to play, you want to change, you want to move the open strings from fret 0, if you like, to fret 2. So I'm going to go ahead and clump the capo on the 2nd fret, just like that. Right? So that means that the open string now is no longer E, rather it's an F sharp. Same with the A string, it's going to be a B note now. Then D string is going to become an E note. The G string is going to become an A open string. Then the B is going to become a C sharp. And then the high E is going to become a high F sharp. And that's the same concept wherever you want to put the capo. So say I want to put it on the 5th fret. You want to be careful and place it right before the metal part of the fret to get the best intonation possible. And now again, I've got a higher setting for the open strings, and this thing can keep going. So that's how you use it. You just place it on the fret that you want to replace for the beginning of the guitar, if you like. And let's do a little application now. I mean, the first thing you would want to use this for is to change the pitch of a chord progression. I'm going to play an easy chord progression here and just open chords: A minor, C major, G major, and then a D type of D, D sus4, D, D sus2. So all together. Just an easy strumming pattern here. Now, what do I want to do? Say you're singing to that, or you've got a singer with you, or you just want to change the pitch of that and you want to move it higher. You can very easily grab the capo, put it on the 2nd fret, for example. And what's that going to do? If I play the same shapes to this new fret 0, it's going to sound a whole tone higher, right? So if I play an A minor here, something that looks like A minor, that's going to now sound like a B minor, right? Because we've changed the pitch. I keep going. One more time. Exactly the same thing as if you were on a piano and you move the chords higher up. That's what we're doing. What if I want to put it even higher? I'm going to put the capo on the 5th fret. Now what's that going to do? That's going to take me to a D minor. And how am I calculating that? I'm thinking about the first chord, which is the original A minor, and that had the root note on the A string. So the A string has now become a D because we're in the 5th fret. So that's going to move the whole chord progression to D minor. Here it is, same shapes. Excellent. So it keeps all the same characteristics, the same voicing, and you hear the same high notes there, just different pitch. Let's do one more. Let's go to the 7th fret. That's going to be down E minor, right? Because we moved an extra whole tone up. Let's go and play the same chord progression. One more time. Excellent. So that's one way you can use the capo, very easy way to change the pitch of a chord progression. Be careful, the higher you get, the tighter the frets are, so you want to make sure you're aware of that and play the right shape. Maybe cramp the fingers a bit more, but essentially it is the very same block chord. Now, good luck practicing those, and I'll see you in the next video.